Can you make it?
I think.
Oh. Stop. Stop. Okay, stop moving for a second. Talofa lava, everyone. Thank you so much and bless you for watching this video. This is a road trip with the family. We're going up into the mountains. This was a while ago before it started to snow. Thank you so much for watching. And we're just one step closer to Mount Rainier. So far. So we just stopped for a minute on a side, one of them scenic lookout places, even though there wasn't a sign, there was a pull off. So some nice rock cliffs there. And we're about 3 miles out of Elbe, or E-L-B-E, it's Elbe or Elbe. And I just wanted to look down here. Let's see if I can climb over the guardrail. Oh, my wife's gonna do it. Don't jump unless you've signed the life insurance, honey. Whoa, I better look what I'm doing instead of walking and looking at the camera. Pretty down there, huh? I love the scenery. Let's look over here. There's some water in the distance. I wonder what that lake is. Is that part of the Nisqually River? Is that a lake? I don't know. Well, I can hear it from way up here, though. Very pretty. Let me see if I can get a better shot. I guess not really. Wave. Wave to the family of subscribers. All 1 million, I mean all 10 of them.
Did you see that catch of water?
Yeah. I just talked about it. I didn't know what it was. Is there a dam or what is it? I can't tell. I hear something though.
It goes out to Mount Rainier. On the side of Mount Rainier.
Or comes down from Mount Rainier?
Down from, yeah, Mount Rainier.
Alright, we'll get back on the truck. All three. We stopped at the Alder Dam to look at that. It wasn't much further past where we just were, so we just stopped again. But I tricked everyone. Told them it was a big beaver dam and they all got out. Ha ha. Got her winter coat on even though it's not that cold out yet. There's the other three. One's hiding. Must be her new hairdo. What is she doing? I'm going left. I'm going right. Mama bear is protecting them. All right, I'm going back to the car. Oh, gotcha. All right, we are entering near the entrance to the park. There are several cars in front of us, so hopefully it doesn't take too long to get in. There is an entrance fee. I don't remember what it was, but I'll find out when I get there. And there's also an annual fee that you can pay too. And right before you go in, 100 feet, there's a Gateway Inn motel, also with log cabins. All right, we'll see you when we come to the gate. We are entering the archway, and we've still got about, oh, I'd say 15 cars in front of us, but we can now see the little booth where you pay. Howdy.
We're debit credit only.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So you just want single visit for 30? Is that right? You want to do a single visit for $30?
Yeah.
All right. Yep.
This way?
Yep.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it works really well, actually.
Yeah, I like that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Whew, good thing I brought my credit card. He wouldn't take cash, and he put out a broomstick about 8 feet long with a small swiper on it, like stapled to it, and that worked. So we are now in the National Forest. and I'll let the camera stay on for a few seconds. We are not going to film all the way up because it's like 19 miles to the place we're going to stop, which is called Paradise. There's several different places. I believe there's one called Sunset, and different places that you can come up different trails to the mountain, but this is the main one that comes nearest our house and closest to us. And this one is open. It doesn't have any restrictions. If there's snow, it's only on at the higher elevations. So enjoy the ride. Wow, I feel like I'm in an enchanted forest here. So pretty. Notice how when I'm recording, everyone stops talking. They all got out of the car at the entrance. No, they're in here. They're just being quiet. Like, I just tell them to turn off the music, though. We don't want no copyright infringement. All right, we stopped by this little rest stop. We're still only about 4 miles in the park, and we saw a great shot of Mount Rainier, and there's actually a viewpoint. So we're gonna walk up. Hopefully, it says Couts Creek Nature Trail. Hopefully this ain't a 17-mile nature trail to just see Mount Rainier, where we're gonna drive anyways. I'm gonna pass you guys. I don't think it's too far though. Looks like the youngest one's happy just to be out of the car. We're almost there. Turn right, so turn right, right. Yeah, you're. Oh, there we go. The clouds just started to come over it, but you can see the very top. There's a little creek running through here pretty rapidly. I don't know if you're allowed to go down there. It doesn't say you can't climb down the rock, but I'm not confident my young one can climb back up again. Very pretty, lots of snow. It snowed up here last night, up at the top at least. See that backpacker up there, B? No. No, you don't see. You just don't have eagle eyes like me, I guess.
Oh no!
No! He's yodeling. All right. So the creek down there is called Couts Creek. I think there's some other ones that we can go down and feel. It's not this one, but it's up further on the right. All right. You're not gonna go down here though. All right. We'll see you in a bit. Looks like they have a museum. It doesn't look open though, but people are parked there to walk around, I guess, or maybe get a tour or something. This is the Longmire Gate we're going through now. Snow chains are required for all vehicles, no matter what type of tire or setup or anything you have, from November 1st to May 1st. The good news is, it's after May 1st, so we didn't have to go out and buy some snow chains. And as you can see right now, these roads don't need it. So we stopped to look at some falls. I don't recall the name of it right off the tip of my tongue. I hear something, but I don't see anything. I don't know what falls unless they're talking about that snow right there. That used to be waterfalls till it froze, maybe. Let's see. There is water over there, though. You want to walk to the water? Let's see how they get up here. That's pretty steep. Let's see if that lady, I don't know. I want to make sure you can get back up, sweetie. Ooh, windy. Apologize for the wind. You can see the river over there. There must be a falls to that way because people down there are taking photos to their left. Watch out for the edges, sweetie. Oh, I see. There is a different way to go down. You're gonna stay behind me, and if you fall, just say I'm falling. Okay. I don't know to hold on to a root or something. Let's see if we can make it down. So this is where we're gonna try to go down. Okay, so watch me, stay behind me. If I fall though, protect my camera. So you can hold these roots, these won't hurt you. Grab these roots as you go down. They're actually something good to hold on to. And don't worry about leaning back. You can lean back on your butt if you need to. If you have to, I'd rather have you get dirty than fall and break your head. This is very slippery right here, okay? Oop. There's a nice branch to stop your fall though. Yeah. Can you make it?
I think.
Oh. Stop. Stop. Okay, stop moving for a second. You're freaking me out. Okay, watch out right here. Lean. So hold on to this wood as you go down. And kind of lean backwards and sideways. It helps. See how I'm walking down sideways, not front? Look at me. See my legs? Go down sideways like this. It helps. You control your descent. Look at me. People are coming behind you now. Okay. Looks like she's making it. Okay, keep up with me.
No.
Yep. Pretty. Oh, you can kind of see Mount Rainier from here too, but I don't see. Let's stay over here for a second. Slippery. Let's see how if we can actually get down there. Oops, I almost fell. Bust my ass. Yeah, we can. She's very excited to get washed away by the river. Okay, we're going down again. This is very slippery. Go sideways. 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 Oh, I made it. Oh. Let's see if she's gonna make it. Here, stand right here, and then you can hold my hand, and I'll let you lean over. No, you want to give me your other hand, or this? Hold on. There you go. Jump in. No. You're cold? Yeah, it's coming from up there. Well, every time we try to take a picture of the top of Mount Rainier, the clouds cover it, but pretty cool. Is the light blinking? Are we recording? Are we recording? Okay, cool.
I think.
Oh, look, someone made a little cairn right there. That's funny. And there's a bridge down there. You can walk over. Looks like a trail goes around the backside. Yeah, I'll put my hand in. Hold on.
I'll hold it.
Okay, here we go. All right. we're probably gonna make our way back up. Okay, baby S is gonna try to make it. I'll try to follow you. Whew, I pooped out we were running back from the water. Keep low to the ground. Unlike me, who's standing practically straight up.
This is hard.
Here, hold on. You got it? Ooh. This does not feel good on your knees. You made it. My turn. 1, 2. It's hard. No, I'll pull this thing. 3. I made it. Oh, can I reach in and get a drink? Oh, give me some water. Simply beautiful. I have no idea how close we are to being to Paradise Peak, which we'll show you hopefully soon, but okay, wanted to stop and show you those. Hey look, Frosty, now we know where he lives. Hi Frosty. We still haven't made it to where we were going. We saw this really white snow area, and oh, I got snow on my shoe. Let me take my shoe. Hold on. Ah.
What? These are my only socks. Oh, well. Yeah, exactly. Well,
We're a little ways up there, don't you think? Wow. Silo. That's where we went. That's where we were down touching the water. See it down there? Yeah. Your boots were in your backpack thing.
What?
The boots are in the backpack. You guys.
no boots.
No, you guys can get them on when you when you get back in the car then, and your feet will be nice and warm. They'll be nice and fuzzy, but they're fuzzy boots. You don't need socks with those boots.
Ew, someone pee butter.
It might be lemon flavor Sprite. I don't know. Smell it. See what it smells like. Okay, let's go look at this. Sorry for the crude humor. Let's go over here. See what the lookout shows. Danger. Sheer cliff. Keep out. Yeah, I'm not gonna go over the rail on this one, but I will stand up on it. Wow. See that river down there that we touched?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
It looks like it's frozen.
No, it's moving. I can see, I can hear it, can't you?
Yeah, but it looks like it's frozen.
Mount Rainier is to the right of us now. We're kind of zigzagging all around it to get up towards the top, or at least as far as Paradise. It is so nice to be up here. The weather is actually quite warm today. The last temperature on the truck was 41, but with the sun shining on us, it feels super nice. All right, see you in a bit. We are getting close to Paradise. Up there you can see the tip if the darn clouds weren't there. We just parked up at Paradise. There's Tank, and just looking at this little this is a snow melt creek. This doesn't come from any water source except melting snow, and this is the snow wall where we parked. Good thing they bulldozed it. There's some of the other tips in the mountains. The actual going up to Mount Rainier would be
Not a bug.
over this hill. We're gonna go up there and see what we can see.
Hello.
Some more of the snow drifts. It's really hard to tell the size of it, but it's pretty darn high. I believe the lodge is closed for now. So due to the virus, on their website it says anticipated opening by the end of May. It is cool here, you know, still about 40, 41, but the sun, because of all the reflection off the snow, it feels like I'm an ant with a magnifying glass on my back. It is really intense. Now you know why you wear sunglasses and you wear suntan lotions up in the mountains. I saw someone go this way and turn left, so I don't know if there's a little path, but we shall see. Oh. How did he get up there? Oh, he went up that way. Do you guys want to walk up there or no? Should I go up there and see if I can see anything? I'll try. Oh. Hold on. Oh. If I fall, save my camera. Oh, I made it. Oh, the trail's up there. It's right there. Careful, just crawl on your hands and knees if you can. Okay, let's get a shot of them trying to make it.
My eyesight sucks right now.
You're gonna be snowblind.
Yeah.
Come on, TikTok, you don't stop.
Okay, I'm going to come on. Now she's gonna die now.
Come on, Markiplier. Look at the mountain over there. Here. Beautiful up here. Well, under about 50 feet of snowdrift, this is usually grass right here, and the snow doesn't start till higher up the trail. I don't know how high people actually want to walk, but we'll check back in soon. We decided to go up. It looks like there's an actual trail people got up there. We again took the hardest route to come up, apparently, or the totally stupid way to come up. But hey, that's part of the adventure, right? Oh, as you climb the snow, because of the temperature and the sun, is a little more slippery, but there's enough grooves to make it up here. Whew. More beautiful trails. Looks like you can cut to a trail by walking up there. The trail must kind of go that way and then wind around to up there, and it keeps working its way up. I'm not sure which way actual mountain climbers that plan on staying at the lookout point, the name of it escapes me right now, but there's a point where you actually camp and spend the night. And of course you start out early in the morning. You never want to come down a mountain when it's dark. You want to come down in the daytime. So you start when it's still dark almost. Plus the cold temperature actually is a lot safer, because crevasses can open up when the snow's melting and warm. Probably late spring, early summer. I'm not positive, I'm not a mountaineer, but I'm pretty sure those are probably the most dangerous times to climb to the top of Mount Rainier. It's like 14,000 something feet. Definitely the tallest peak around these here parts. So my batteries, what is it at? It's yellow. I don't know, it's probably around less than 25% probably, but I think I'm good for a few more minutes. Yeah, a few years ago, just me and my two little kids, my wife, my oldest was off in the army, I think. We came up there and they climbed all the way up there, and the youngest one had like a snowsuit on and basically slid all the way down on her back. It was super fun and funny. She wasn't hurt though, so we're good. Okay, signing off again for a few seconds. Lots of hikers here today. There's one true mountaineer wearing his shorts. Yep, people coming from up there. Very pretty. And we're, of course, we've been walking around and hiking a lot more than what I've had on film. But the kids are hungry. I didn't bring a big meal, but I do have my Coleman with me, of course, to warm up some water, and brought their favorite cup of noodles. Okay, we'll see you soon.
Where's Mom?
Well, the abominable snowman got another victim today. So I guess I'm single. Oh no, wait, there she is. She's still alive. Okay. Call off the funeral notice. She's coming. I thought the Yeti got her. Okay, back to the truck. Time to get something to eat. All right, we are here getting the cup of noodles ready. Drying out my socks. Waiting for the water to, it's almost boiling. And me, I'm walking around in 39-degree temperature with my bare feet. Yep, we're almost ready. So do you want to hold the cups? The youngest one is taking a little nappy nap, hiding her face. But of course, she's the one that wants 2 cups of noodles. And for some reason, my kids cannot eat, not that it's not salty enough, they can't eat noodles without a splash of soy sauce in it. Not too much, but I'm like, oh my gosh, it's salty enough. So, all right, you ready to eat? Ah, that wasn't enthusiastic enough. You ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pour their cups for them. All right, getting ready to enjoy my noodles. We've been here a total of 1 hour and 51 minutes. We did some small unscenic trails when we were up there by the snow that I did not capture. I was having trouble not slipping, so it's kind of hard to film. But when we're done eating, everyone's back in the car except me. My feet are still freezing, so my socks still a little wet. But we'll be going soon, and I'll stop and take some pictures on the way down of places we missed. Oh, cars behind me. I better get going before they crash into me. Driving and vlogging. There must be a ticket in this somewhere. I am now incriminating myself. Whoa. I wish you could see the very tip of the mountain. The darn clouds will just kind of hug it today. All right, check back soon. My wife's taking photos of the section I want to take photos of. Of course, she's taking them for her own personal, I don't know, satisfaction, since she don't vlog. She's basically costing me millions. Just kidding. Whee! What? They're making fun of my laugh when I laughed earlier. Going downhill in vlogging is so much easier than going uphill in vlogging. Is there a science to that? Comment below. All right, let me stop being driving dangerous. Sorry about the cold wind. Look, a group of Yetis. They look so human. I don't know why people hunt them. And then we went to that restaurant. More pretty views. Yeah, the one with that's the one time. Yeah, that was fun. We're talking about past birthdays. They were asking what my oldest did on her 16th birthday. That's what we're talking about in the background. Sorry, I'll mute this out for you, or I'll leave it in. It's just so pretty around here. How many of you wish you could just live here and have a cabin right there in the wood line?
No.
That would be awesome. And we did not get it in camera, but believe it or not, my wife, Eagle Eye Lady, up on a hill when we first came in within so many yards, could swear that she saw a mountain lion just sitting there, like turning its head. So I don't know, I didn't see it, but you know, my wife doesn't even know what a mountain lion is. She just said it's a big cat, like someone's cat, but it's huge. It's like a giant dog. So the only cat that big around here, I would think, would be a mountain lion. So that's pretty cool. I wish we would have got a picture of it. So. All right, back to semi-driving safely. Tourists. Way. Oh, booty shots.
Oh, we were up on that trail.
I remember, yeah.
We were up on that trail.
On here, and it's funny, the little one that loves water much, I said, you want to get out? I saw some rapids. She goes, no, I'm good. I'm like, all right. You don't know what you're going to miss. Looks like here's another little tunnel when the water gets even wider. Right now it's just filling up against that bankhead and rushing through here. I can't go down that far, but I'm going to put my camera around so you can see it. Let's see if I can do it without falling. Oh! And let me get back. I'm starting to slide down. How relaxing. So freaking awesomely beautiful. I love living in the Pacific Northwest. This is just freaking awesome. I wish they would have came down. Oh well. Better see it on the video. I told my daughter that she's gonna regret not coming down there. The youngest one, and she's like, what? I changed my mind. I'll go. Hey, be very careful. You're just gonna Spider-Man it like this. Whoop, 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 whoop. We're back. If you give me your left hand, you can sit over here. Your left hand. Wait, pull your sleeve up. Now sit down. Can you look in there? Look around, look in the corner and see what you see. Anything cool? Look at it over there. It's pretty. Go ahead.
Oh, what is this?
Just don't let your feet thump in the mud. You can stand right there, maybe. Want to walk further up that way? On the rocks? Don't get too close to the water while you're scrambling over the rocks. Okay. I found a little patch of dryness. Okay. Maybe go that way. That way. Go that way. There you go. Oh, my rock just moved. Let's see if I can jump over there. 1, 2, 3. Good job, sweetie. Now, the next task is to get on that tree and walk across it to the other side. You know I'm joking, right? Right? I wonder if fish ever come up this stream, or if this is just a glacier melt or snow melt. I doubt any fish come down it, but what do I know? I'm not the fisherman's son, so. All right, we're gonna head back, and we'll see you back on the road. We are back in passing Elb or Elby, however you say it. I just wanted to get some pictures of this little choo-choo train restaurant. Of course, a lot of these trains used to be in commission and go up to Mount Rainier. I think they're just decommissioned and now used for tourists to stop by and walk through them. Everyone's exhausted or taking a nap on the way back, so I don't think anyone's interested in me waking them up to go aboard the choo-choo trains. Yeah, that's about it. And I think that's about the end of the journey of where I'm going to vlog. So hope you enjoyed the trip. Hopefully I'll see you next time. And until then, stay safe, have fun.